Hey, what's up guys? Today we're gonna see a new thing that I realized about Facebook monetization looking at my page, and it's all about Facebook in-stream reserve. This is like premium ads where Facebook pays you more money for your videos, for the ads that appear on your videos. So I was looking at my Creator Studio in the monetization tab in Home, and I realized that under the in-stream ads, I saw all these icons. I realized the new one that I hadn't seen, and it's this one page in reserve. So I was like, what does this mean? And this star here. So I clicked on the link, learn more, and I saw this. As you can see, not many people have clicked on this link. Only 2,000 views, which means it's probably something new or that not many pages or many people have. And it says Facebook in-stream reserve is an invite-only program that is only available to certain pages in certain regions at this time. So it's like a very premium thing. And it says Facebook in-stream reserve gives certain high-quality video pages access to premium advertising opportunities. So what are the benefits of this? It says earn more money. Reserve pages typically report higher than average revenue from their monetized videos. So I was like, wow, this is so good, right? And it says reserved content is highly appealing to advertisers. The ads that appear in reserved videos are often from larger brands that run high quality, well-produced advertisements. So this basically means that if you're included in this in-stream reserve list, if your page is included here, the ads that appear on your video and that make you money are of a higher quality. They're from big brands, larger brands, probably like Apple, Coca-Cola, all these, super big brands that do very good and elaborate ads, and they pay you more. So how do you get your page in this? Eligibility. Facebook in-stream reserve participation is restricted to the highest quality video pages on Facebook. Participants are selected based on the following criteria. And it says, note, this criteria is subject to change and the factors below do not represent the full spectrum of signals we use to select. So this means basically that they're not telling you like the whole criteria that they use to put your page or not in this reserve program, which is fine because they tell you some criteria that they use. For example, brand safety. Pages that measure up well against this rubric are often considered for Facebook in-stream reserve. Well, this means that you need to post safe videos, family-friendly videos. Don't risk it with topics that are like on the limit, like sexual things or violent things, drugs, stuff like that. It's just not worth it. Just try to keep your content safe as possible, and you'll have higher chances to get in this reserve list. Then video quality. We leverage our understanding of viewing habits on Facebook to determine which videos are most valuable to people. Videos that serve the Facebook community well will be given consideration for this program. They're not specifying anything like what does this even mean, right? Videos that serve the Facebook community well? I mean, it's highly subjective and they're not really telling you much. I would say that it has to do with this brand safety and family-friendly videos. Probably even educational videos. Those, I think would fall under the serving the Facebook community well. And then audience engagement. This is pretty key. High quality pages consistently produce videos that their audiences care about. Pages with healthy numbers of authentically generated views. So no fake views, don't buy views. I always say this. Do not buy views, followers, or engagement. Facebook will detect it in the end and you'll just get demonetized. It also says shares of your videos and other engagements will be considered for Facebook in-stream reserve. So this means probably likes, comments. I do recommend asking your viewers to share your content or to, put comments on your videos. You can do it in indirect ways, like asking a question at the end of your video or in between your video. There's more chances that they leave a comment, answering your question. Basically, to check if you have your page in this reserve pages list, you have to obviously look at this that we just saw here, if you see this. But also, if you go to in-stream ads tab under monetization, you go to settings, you will see in this case this page. I have it active here. It says in-stream reserve here on the right side. In-stream reserve helps select advertisers place high quality ads in your videos, and as you can see, I've got the icon of the star and it's on. So you will see that this is 100% proof that my page has these premium ads activated. So I hope this was helpful. I hope your page is in this program. If not, I encourage you to post high quality content videos. Try to offer value, whether it's entertainment or showing people how to do stuff, and do videos about topics that you like. If you want to learn more about Facebook monetization, an in-depth guide with tips and tricks, you can get my Facebook monetization masterclass. I leave you a link in the description. See you guys in the next video.